Alright everyone, thanks for joining in tonight's break. It's the 11-12 Dominion. Last team that ended was Winnipeg Jets. It is box 6, last box of this case. It ended August 29th at 8:29. And the number on this one is 189-824-893. And the time, Thursday, August 29th at 9:27. So I'll show the box number here in a second. I do got a three box sealed case of this stuff on via nails. Break will be happening on I guess Wednesday night. Whatever teams are installed in a few days, I'll just throw in an option. But I'm probably not going to do any single boxes the next few nights. I don't really want to do any more until I get my website done. So anyway, it's really close. I keep saying that and I keep running into little glitches, but I had somebody help me out with a few things tomorrow. And 189-824-893, so it really should be done over the weekend. So it'll probably be after a long weekend here before I start doing any singles and stuff again. But it is sealed. Okay, good luck to everybody. I got a 4-box of Trilogy on there as well, and I was going to list a Prime today, but I think I'm getting set up for live tomorrow, so I'd like to post it as a live break. So I'm just kind of holding off until tomorrow to see what happens. If all goes as planned, the case will be listed tomorrow as a live break. So empty. Decoy. Start off. Base card for Montreal Canadiens, Max Pacioretty. It's number 119 of 199. And we got a rookie autograph. The Edmonton Oilers, Leonard Cottrell. It's number 178 of 199 for the Edmonton Oilers. We have rookie patch, 2-color for the Philadelphia Flyers. Harry Zolneric, I guess. Nice one there. The Leafs, Joe Colburn, Emerald, rookie autograph patch, 4/5, Joe Colburn. Very nice. For the Leafs, Brandon Dubinsky for the Rangers, just jersey, 42 of 100. Rangers. Mammoth, Don for the Islanders, 46 of 50 for the Islanders. David Rumblad, Phoenix Coyotes, 6 of 100. 6 of 100. And the last card of the case, Cam Ward, base card for the Carolina Hurricanes, number 9 of 199. So here we have it, fellas, and like I said, you can check it out tomorrow if you're interested in the Prime or the Dominion and Trilogy are on there tonight. Anyway, thanks to everybody listening. All the cards from this week, some of them are already shipped out. There's a few left today, so I'm going to add these to it, and everything will be in the mail by tomorrow. So, thanks again.